Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the solution of 6th problem from exercise 10.5 from Circles chapter from NCERT class 9. The problem here is ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral means all the sides of the quadrilateral lie on a circle whose diagonals intersect at point E. So here ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and these two are the diagonals AC and BD which are intersecting at the point E. And here the given values are angle DBC is equal to 70 degrees. So this angle is given, that is 70, and angle BAC is equal to this angle is 30 degrees, and we have to find angle BCD. This angle we have to find. Further, if AB is equal to BC, if these two sides of this quadrilateral are equal, then we have to find angle ECD. So this angle we have to find. First we have to find this angle, then you have to find this angle if AB is equal to BC. Now here the given values are angle DBC is equal to 70 degrees this angle, and angle BAC, this angle is angle BAC is equal to 30 degrees, and we know that sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. So here we have to take these two angles sum because we have to find this angle C. So take these two angles, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. This is first equation, and if you see here angle A is sum of these two angles 30 plus angle DAC. So first find angle DAC. So if you observe this figure, angle DAC and angle DBC, these two angles are angles in the same segment. So we know that angles in the same segment are equal. So here angle DBC is given, that is 70 degrees. So angle DAC is equal to 70 degrees. Angle DAC is equal to angle DBC is equal to 70 degrees because angles in the same segment are equal. And now angle A is equal to these two angles sum, angle BAC plus angle DAC. So right here, then angle BAC already given, that is 30 degrees. So 30 plus 70 degrees is equal to 100 degrees. Once you calculate angle A value, then from the first equation 100 plus angle C, here angle A is 100. So 100 plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Then angle C is equal to 180 minus 100, that is 80 degrees. So angle C means this angle. So this is nothing but angle BCD. Therefore angle BCD is equal to 80 degrees. Now we have to find angle ECD, that means this angle if AB is equal to BC, these two sides of this quadrilateral are equal, then we have to find this angle. So we know that this total angle is 80 degrees. So if you know this angle, then we can easily find this angle. So to find this angle, take this triangle. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC, that is given. So we know that angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So angle BAC is equal to angle BCA. These two angles are equal. Angle BAC is equal to angle BCA is equal to 30 degrees now. So this angle already given, that is 30 degrees. So angle BCA is equal to 30 degrees. Now angle C is equal to this angle is equal to angle BCA plus angle ECD. This angle. So angle C is 80 degrees. We know this. And 80 degrees is equal to 30 degrees. Angle BCA is 30 degrees. 30 plus angle ECD. Therefore, angle ECD is equal to 80 minus 30, that is 50 degrees. Now do these practice questions. Here you can use angle in semicircle is 90 degrees. And here you can use the opposite angles of equal sides are equal, and then you will get x degrees. Here also angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Now these are the answers.